This video, disc brakes, how to change them. Let's go. So, first thing is to jack up the car and take the wheel off. Now we need to take the caliper off, this guy, and to do that we have two mounting bolts, one on either side. 12 millimeter. Alright, so the caliper should come off. Do a little wiggling. And don't let the caliper hang by its brake hose, because it could cause damage to the brake hose. Either hang it by a wire off the strut, or just place it behind the backing plate. Now we could just take our pads off. And in this case, these pads aren't bad. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, so I'm going to put these right back in. What you want to do is take out these slide pins, and we're going to take these out and lubricate them. I'm using a disc brake caliper lube. You should probably use something like silicone paste instead. Don't use grease, because anything petroleum based will eat away at this rubber boot and cause problems. So use something silicone based, or something specifically made to lube brake parts like this is. Just put a little bit on the slide pin, and then slide it right back in. Same with the other one. Put a little bit. You don't need to glob it on there, so it'll be lubricated. And then just make sure they move smoothly and they don't bind up or anything or scratch. Now what you also want to do is take some anti-seize and just put it on the parts of the brake pad that move. So on these tabs, on either one. That'll help stop them squeak and bind and make noise. And then you just slide it back into place. Just slide it in. Same deal with this one. Again, don't go crazy. Now next thing to do is get a C-clamp and just compress the piston into the back into the caliper, because your new brake pads are thicker than the other ones and they won't have enough room if you don't compress the piston. So after you do that, you can put your caliper back on and then just bolt it back into place. Finally put the wheel back on and lower the car. Then just do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now this is the most important step. If you don't do this, there could be an accident. Basically, since you compressed the pistons of the brake calipers, you need to keep pumping the brake pedal until you have a brake pedal, because they aren't compressed against the pads yet. So what you need to do is just keep pumping until you get a hard brake pedal. Don't forget to do that, or you won't have brakes when you first go to apply them. Very dangerous. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.